Starting with Pythagoras 2025, digital terrain models can now be exported into the IFC format. That means your terrain data is fully compatible with BIM workflows. Here's how it works. First, make sure the terrain model you want to export is visible. And then next, go to File Export IFC, enter a file name, and choose a location to save it. Once exported, your IFC file can be opened in any IFC viewer or imported into BIM software that supports the IFC 4.3 subformat. Need to export more than one model? Just make the models you want to export visible, repeat the export IFC steps, and save them into a single IFC file. IFC 4.3 is an ISO standard designed specifically for infrastructure and road design, and it's well supported across many construction and infrastructure applications. By exporting DTMs in IFC 4.3, you ensure accurate data transfer into BIM platforms and strengthen collaboration between designers, engineers, and contractors.